Hello, welcome back to my channel where I try to pay my debt by flipping furniture. For this week's video, we are going to flip a 3-piece dresser set that I'm going to show you guys right now as soon as I go outside. And hopefully I'm gonna try and do something new, try and do new colors and try to maybe stain it. I don't know yet, but we'll see how that goes. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. It would much appreciated. Hit that like button and share. So let's get into this week's video. Alright guys, so this is the pieces. This is a 1, 2. This one has a mirror, but I don't think I'm gonna keep the mirror, or maybe, I don't know. And this is a 3rd piece. This is gonna be a separate one. And yeah, these two I'm gonna set it together, so hopefully we can get a good amount. They're in pretty good condition, only minus this one has this little crack right there, but I have some, I think wood filler would fit it nice. But other than that, it's pretty nice. It's a pretty nice set. Here's the back. It looks like, I don't know what this is. I'm still new to this, so I don't know if this full wood, particle wood, but to me it looks nice. So we're gonna clean it and sand it down. I'm only gonna be able to sand it today because, sorry for the lack of videos, I had finals and then I'm in summer classes, and those are only 6 weeks, so they're kind of moving fast. But I'm gonna try and get everything done for you guys and record it. So I'm gonna get into it. Alright guys, so this is the first one. I only sanded the first ones because the tops, because my drill ran out of battery. I forgot to charge it, so it's charging right now. And so basically this is what it looks like right now. This one, oh, this stuff came off really easily. I didn't really like push into it, it just came off. I think it's cut. I mean, the standard came with 80 grit paper, so I was using that. So that's what it is right now. Tell me a lot of the handles are going, but yeah, this was the sander. It was okay. I don't know how to use it that well, but if you live in a close neighborhood, because I live in mobile homes, but that's how loud it is. And you know, this, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know if I want to keep the mirror on it or not. I don't think I will, just because it didn't look that good with the mirror on it. Yeah, this is most of it right now. Alright guys, so this is everything's finished primed. I did end up fixing this a little late, but it's okay. But this is what they look like primed. And the color that I went with today is called, if you guys can see, that's the code and everything. It's called French Beige. I saw this on another furniture flipping video, and I really like the color. And then I ended up getting these handles. I still don't know if I'm gonna do, I ended up getting 2. And then I don't know if I'm gonna do black or gold on it, so we'll see how that looks. And yeah, we'll get to it when we start painting. Alright guys, so I did the second coat. I didn't record this one because the spray gun was having problems. I had to switch a bunch of nozzles to a bigger one. I had to get used to it, so I did that one real quick. This one's pretty much dry already. I'm just gonna go in, do a quick little sand before I do the second coat, and start it, and we'll be good. Alright guys, so quick reminder. So I was gonna do this one. This actually came out really good. I really like the spray paint. It was because everyone uses it, Rust-Oleum Universal matte. Came out cool. This is the original hardware, the original paint and everything. And then this one I was gonna do like the black with again Rust-Oleum, and it came out cool, like the matte black, but then I spray painted a little bit with gold and I thought it looked cool. But I thought for this piece it would look cool with just the gold. And this is how it came out. I did miss, like, it was my first time drilling something like this, so I kind of have to fix this part, but for the unless there's little like parts that I can't fix, but for the most part it looked good. Same thing with this one. There's like one part right here too, but I think it looked good. Ooh. I believe this piece came out really well for what it was, and here's the profit. So I ended up getting this piece for free off Facebook Marketplace, and I was able to flip it for 320. So there's a big profit margin, so stay tuned for the next video for next week.